what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Runa, and today is Foundation Friday. If you're new to my channel, every Friday, this channel does a full review, wear test on a new foundation, or we have a topic about foundation. It's a foundation-y Friday. Today we're going to test out the Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, and I got the shade Cashew. This is a new drugstore foundation that I saw on ultabeauty.com, so I decided to pick it up, bring it for you guys, bring it forward, have you guys test it out, feel it. First things first, this has a pump on it, so your girl is super psyched with this pump on it. It says it's supposed to give up to 12 hours of continuous hydration. It visibly improves the look of skin, and it's also medium coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and use a brush. This says that it is a liquid foundation. So whenever there's a liquid foundation, I tend to like to use a brush. Usually I'll test out Beauty Blender and brush, but just from experience, I realized that liquid foundations always perform better with a foundation brush. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So my routine is going to be foundation brush, and then I'll go in with the Beauty Blender and press it out. But that's my routine. If you tend to want to do it with Beauty Blender, then do it with the Beauty Blender if that's how you feel. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and do one pump. So that's one pump, you guys. And then here is two pumps. I'm going to go in with two pumps. I don't know if I told you guys, but this is the shade Cashew. This foundation is also $12.99. Personally, I feel like that's not a bad price. Okay, right away, I actually like this shade Cashew. It looks really good. Oh my god, it's gliding on really nice. The coverage is pretty solid. It's not bad. It's medium to full coverage, I feel. If you build it up, it's going to be definitely a full coverage. Okay, now that we're zoomed in, you can see full texture of the skin. As you can see, it's really nice. It's drying really nice. It's going on really, really nice. I'm so amazed. There is a little bit of a white cast, but I'm pretty sure I could warm this up. Maybe one shade darker would have been better for me, but it's not a huge difference. So this coverage is really light. A little does not go a long way. You do need a fair amount of pumps. It does feel very hydrating. It doesn't feel oily on the skin at all. It actually feels really, really nice. This is a $12.99 foundation, full coverage. I also forgot to tell you guys, this foundation actually comes in only on Ulta's website. I only saw 14 shades, but it says that it comes with 20 shades. I still think that's very little for a foundation color, especially since we're accommodating to like 40 shades. But I think they still did a really good job by going from medium to deep dark. There's a lot of medium and deep dark shades plus light shades. It's like an even breakdown, which is not bad. I definitely feel like anyone can find a shade in those 20 shades, because it just seems like they really went in and like focused on what shades would do really well or would apply the most. Okay guys, so this is a right up front view of my face after I've fully applied on the foundation. I feel like iPhone tends to capture it better because you're able to see everything. This is my full skin texture. I feel like from far away, it looks really, really nice. It's a nice, healthy complexion. It looks really pretty. I do feel like it's not as much coverage as I would like. As you can see, there's still a huge amount of like just pores have not been minimized or anything like that. I think this is perfectly hydrating, and it feels really, really good on the skin, and the color is really matching. So I think that's really, really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and wear this foundation for the rest of the day, and I'll be back and I'll give you guys my final verdict, what I really think about this foundation. Does it do good or does it not do good? Guys, so I've had the foundation on for about 2 hours, and as you can see, it is really nice and settled, and it just settled in. I just only put a little bit of powder in this area because it was literally sliding off my face a little bit. So it went on pretty good. It dried down pretty good. The setting powder does get a little gunky with it. It gets a little gunky with it, but I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day and let you guys know. I'm gonna show you how it looks in sunlight real quick. Okay guys, so this is what the foundation looks like in natural light, so you could just see the color. It actually matches pretty good. It went pretty spot on, really good. This is my, so this is how it looks in natural light. It really does have a nice blur effect to it. It looks really hydrating. I do feel like it is getting into my fine lines a bit, which is a little annoying. So it's okay. This is pretty much an all day wear foundation. It's about 7:37 right now. So I've had this foundation on from 8 to 8. So I put it around like 7:30, almost all day. I start my day really early. So far this foundation looks really good. There's a little bit of creasing that has happened right here, and a little bit, yeah, like little creases, like typical things that happen to a foundation. So this foundation is $12.99, and because it's $12.99, I think it's a total score. It's A+. I love that there's a hydrating foundation on the market right now that you can buy for $12.99 from the drugstore, and it actually works. It actually feels hydrating. It doesn't feel tight. It's not slipping off your face. Obviously, it's a winter time, so you're not gonna have problems with any foundation slipping off your face. But if in the summer, I don't know, it might not be as good. It's definitely not super oily, and because it's a liquid foundation, it really does go into your skin and looks really good. It's not going to give you any pore minimizing. It's not going to help with your texture or anything like that if you have any texture issues. It's also not going to emphasize it. Honestly, this foundation just gives you a really nice even skin tone, and it gives you a really nice canvas. It's easy to wear. It lasts all day. Super score, A+. Good job, Maybelline. It's a 4.7 out of 5. That means it's Bombation. 4.7 out of 5. 4.7 because the color selection is really, really small. But if you can see, it does match really, really good. 4.7 for also the cracking. There is no perfect foundation as of yet, so 4.7. All the details to shop this foundation will be linked down below. Your girl is off to Disneyland. I'm gonna wipe this makeup off. Yes, Disneyland. I'm doing the whole, I have a pass, so I'm gonna do like 4 hours at Disneyland. And I'm just gonna have a great day today. I hope you guys love this video and you wanna see more foundation videos. Comment down below. Turn on the notifications and subscribe. Obviously, I'm too excited. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah, bye.